Laing O'Rourke is a global engineering enterprise with a 50-year history in Australian construction and infrastructure, including a decade under the Laing O'Rourke banner. We have delivered some of the country's largest, most technically complex projects and have been named twice as one of Australia's top 10 most innovative businesses. Our approach is led by an unwavering focus on understanding the needs of our clients and delivering on our promises, regardless of the scale or complexity of the challenge in hand. Working collaboratively with our clients, we develop bespoke teams and solutions from concept through every stage of the project to completion. The Australian Defence Force is one of our most valued clients, and we have a clear understanding of the strategic, operational and tactical environments in which it operates. In 2011, Laing O'Rourke was engaged by the Department of Defence as the managing contractor for the $870 million Moorebank Units Relocation project, the largest single defence capital works project since World War II. Laing O'Rourke was responsible for the complete relocation of defence facilities and assets from a 190-hectare site at Moorebank to a 110-hectare site in Holsworthy, delivering a much-needed modern training facility, while at the same time unlocking key industrial land in Sydney's southwest for economic infrastructure.
We work closely with the Department of Defence throughout the parliamentary approval process to demonstrate value for money and secure the necessary public funding. Given the requirements of the client, also the end user, absolute assurance of the program was paramount. Any delays could potentially impede military capability.
We've learned from our client and partners, and we've imparted significant learnings too. This project has set new benchmarks in terms of collaborative, innovative delivery and value for the taxpayer's dollar.
Key facilities delivered by Laing O'Rourke include an area mess, explosive detector dog services, teaching and training facilities, a specially equipped gym and 50-metre heated indoor pool, accommodation and offices, an entry precinct including a new base entry and guardhouse, a museum, chapel, workshops and queue stores, services infrastructure across the barracks, and additional civil works, roads and car parks. The sheer scale of the base logistics is hard to compare to any other project delivered in Australia in recent memory.
We engaged with over 300 local and regional businesses throughout the life of the project. At one stage during delivery, we had 96 separate buildings under construction concurrently on a live, secure military training facility. With a peak turnover of $45 million per month, or $2 million per day, and a workforce in excess of 1,400 people. In order to ensure a safe, efficient, productive site, we designed and operated a bespoke logistics and training centre that managed more than 300 separate deliveries per day and inducted and trained 180 people per week.
We used digital engineering techniques in design to optimise around 80 buildings and structures for delivery on a fast-track and fully integrated program. A 3D model incorporating the building works, in-ground infrastructure services, roadworks, and civil surface profiles was developed to assist in the planning and coordination of interface works. Detailed 4D models of typical building sections linked to live construction programs were used to inform overall construction logic and durations for each building.
This extremely high-profile project was completed ahead of a number of target milestones in April 2015. The scale and quality of this project will ensure it is always counted amongst Laing O'Rourke's premier works anywhere in the world. We continue to work side by side with the Department of Defence and are currently delivering some of its most complex infrastructure projects in Queensland, New South Wales, South Australia, Western Australia, Victoria and the Northern Territory.